In today's video, I've got a method to share with you to make money on YouTube, which is absolutely awesome. Now, you can do this in less than 10 minutes a day. So if you're looking for a simple and a fast way to make money on YouTube, then this video is for you. You can do this without being on camera. You can do it without talking. You definitely don't need any experience, and you can even get this whole method up and running today with zero money. So please watch the video till the end, because if you don't, then you will not know how to do this properly. But I can guarantee you, by the end of the video, you'll know exactly, step by step, how this method works. You'll know potentially how much you can earn with this, and you'll also see just how simple this really is. So let's jump over onto YouTube and I'll show you the first channel. So this is the channel here, and it's called Brainy Monk, and this is all around tests and quizzes. Now, I've just brought up Social Blade stats here. You can see on this channel here, they're earning roughly between, I mean, you take this with a pinch of salt, between $72 and just over $1,000 a month from this method. Now, if we scroll down here, look at the videos. They're very short. 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, and 6 minutes. And look at the videos. They're just images with a little bit of text below. And I've opened up this one here, so let me just show you this. Look, this is the video. Pick one among these. 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we click on play. That's it. And if we go to the next slide in this video here, look, then they've got some text on the screen, and that's it. And this whole channel is geared around these very short videos. I mean, look at this one here. What animal protects you in your sleep? And it's just images on top of a video. Pretty simple stuff. Now, if we come back over here, I mean, you can see, even if we took a conservative figure and put this in the middle, this channel here is currently earning about $500 a month, according to Social Blade, from how many videos have they got on the channel? They've not even got many. I mean, look at this. They've got, what have they got here? They've got 5, 10, 15, 20. They've got 23 videos on the channel, and they're earning some pretty decent money from doing so, aren't they? Up to over $1,000 a month from 23 videos of these really simple. They're really simple to put together as well. This is just one channel. Let me share this one over here with you. Look at this channel here. This is called 1 Million Tests. Now, surprisingly, this channel here, they haven't uploaded a video in over a year. And I don't know why, because they've got a hell of a lot of subscribers and they're earning some decent money. And look at this here. Build a pizza and we'll guess a thing about you. And look. That's it. It isn't difficult. And I've actually gone into this because I thought, well, if they've not uploaded a video in a year, maybe, the channel's not monetized anymore. So I've gone into this one here, this Build a Pizza. Let me go into this video and show you this. Look, they've got, this is ad 1 of 2 over the top of this. And then I thought, well, why are they, why are they creating videos anymore? And look, people here, look, this channel used to upload all the time but hasn't posted. Why did they quit out of nowhere? And all of the subscribers, look, why haven't you guys posted? They've not posted. Where have you guys gone? So people are actually wanting this content on YouTube. And this channel here, this 1 million tests, they've not updated a video, posted a video in over a year. So I thought, well, how much are they earning? Let's go ahead and have a look at Social Blade. See this channel here, and now look at this. They're currently earning between $853 a month and coming up to $14,000 a month. And as a yearly earning, up to $146,000 from sharing these really simple videos here. And again, they're not that long. And all of these videos, you can create these using free pieces of software, and you can also get, free videos and free images on websites like Pexels, Pixabay. There's hundreds of them. Just go on Google and type in free videos, free HD videos, free images, and you can find them. So this is another channel, and you can see, I mean, the amount of money that they're earning per month from this is just ridiculous, considering they've not even uploaded a video in over a year. Another channel doing this same method. Sorry, let me get rid of that video there. And we'll go into this channel over here. This is called Alpha Tests. And look, again, very short videos. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. And look, pick your wedding theme colour. And they've just got images on here. And then they have a timer running on, inside of the video. Now this channel here, let's look at Social Blade stats. How much are they earning? Well, look at this. $166 to coming up to $3,000 a month, and it's coming up to $40,000 a year from uploading these videos here. And again, for some reason, I mean, this channel here, they've not uploaded a video in 9 months, this one here 2 years, and they've not even got that many videos on the channel. It's just insane. However, you've seen over on this channel here, this 1 million tests, there is a huge demand on this, on this category and subject on YouTube. People like taking these, these silly little tests and, seeing what hair colour they should have, or, their personality and all this other sort of stuff. But I mean, the inspiration for this comes from this channel here. They've got 5, 10, 23 videos, and they're earning close to $1,000 a month from uploading these videos. How long do you think it would take you to go ahead and, create a 6-minute video and upload it onto YouTube? It wouldn't take you long, and you can earn some pretty decent money. And this is in the niche of quizzes and, online tests and things. This is just one example of how you can make money on YouTube. And there's many more ways that you can make money. All of these channels here, they're making money specifically with YouTube AdSense. Whenever I've gone into any of these videos, they're not doing affiliate marketing, they're not doing e-commerce, they're not, doing their own products, print on demand, etc., etc. So that's another way that you could make money with this. But, would you spend, a couple of hours? Well, I reckon this whole channel here, to create this videos, I reckon will have taken them no longer than max about 5 or 6 hours to get these videos done and upload it onto YouTube, and it's just bringing them in a passive income. I mean, it's definitely a passive income for this this channel over here, this 1 million tests. It's just insane, isn't it? It's making me think I'm going to go into this niche as well and, potentially outsource the whole thing, because that's another thing that you can do with this. You can actually outsource these videos and get them made for you. So a video like this, if you was to outsource it, would probably cost anywhere in the region of, as I guess, I'd say $20 to $30 maximum to outsource it. But you don't have to outsource it. You can go ahead and create this content yourself. I mean, if we just go on to, let's just go on to Google and type in free HD videos, click on here, and look, you've got Pixabay, you've got Video V, you've got Video Easy, you've got, I don't even know what that one is, you've got lots that look, Pexels.com, Orbello. You can go into all of these and find these videos and download them, and it's the same for images. So if you just take this and type in images or pictures, you can find all of these. Look, you've got, well, that's Shutterstock, you've got Unsplash here, Unsplash, we've got Pexels again, Pixabay, freeimages.com, hundreds and hundreds of these different websites. You've even got Canva as well, where you go ahead, you find these images and these videos, and then you download them. You can put these into like a Google slide, something like that, and then you just create these simple videos like these here. And I think you'll agree. I mean, look at that. It's just 4 pictures and some text that come up in this. So do you think you could go ahead and create a few videos and stick them up on YouTube and start earning a passive income? It's not difficult. The thing where many people fail with, YouTube in general is they either quit too early, or they don't understand the process of uploading the videos. And what I mean by that is they don't understand keyword research, they don't understand how to do video tags, they don't understand methods like the piggyback method, thumbnails, and lots more. And look, if you want to learn a bit more about this, you can go ahead and check out my YouTube course. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. Inside of this course here, we walk you through everything you need to know about creating content on YouTube, and this is on camera, off camera. We cover how to make money. So you see down here, we've got money funnels, and also in here, I share with you, welcome to the course. I share results with you. I share information from, my videos. I share different channels. So look, I share this channel here. I also share my son's channel, and we'll go through the whole process from start. You need to be doing, look on here, we go to, where is it? Once you've uploaded the video, what you need to do after the video is uploaded on YouTube, we then cover what you should be doing there, and then we'll look at money funnels and lots more. So if you want to check out the course, there's a link down below. You'll go over to my sales page, you'll see testimonials from past students, current students, and more. But overall, today's method is pretty simple. It's very easy. It definitely won't take you a lot of time. And as you've seen from the channels that we've covered so far today, they're making some good money, and essentially they're making passive income, because this channel here, they've not done anything in a year. This channel over here, they've not done anything in 9 months. So yeah, it's a great niche to go into, and there is certainly a demand for this product as well. So that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.